Ah, hit. Okay. Ah. Ow, you don't... Cat, you can't full auto when you come up close to somebody. Ah, you shot me all in the back of the fucking head. Ah, that was actually... That's, you know it's against the rules, right? Ah, did you see me smoke you when you came out?
Yeah.
Were you mad? They sniped you? Ah, that fucking hurt, Cat. Oh, you're not supposed to do this against the rules. You did that on purpose, didn't you? It was good. It was good.
I was told where you were at.
Yeah, no.
By your teammates.
Oh, really? Are we starting? How do we know we're starting? Oh, go. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have some more gameplay footage from Six Airsoft outside of Utica, New York. Today's video will encompass footage from a Sunday open play, and as such there are less people than a regular open play, so you'll see more of the same people on the enemy team. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Somebody got him. Yeah. He's back left on the spool. Someone got the guy on the left. I'm down to 2 mags because I didn't load all of them. I was gonna let you go, but you pulled your weapon up. Oh, they're pushing me on this left side. What's up, guys? Doing good? They're in the back left side of the building shooting at me. You did? Good job. Is that guy shooting ours? Where's he shooting from? I got him. Hey, friendly coming in.
Oh, shit. Huh? Yeah, my gun's out. Babe, you coming in? It didn't jam on me. That's a fucking surprise. No, I got him. It didn't shoot straight though. That's for fucking sure. I'm fucked.
Are we in the same team?
Yeah. Oh. I didn't shoot you.
Oh. Somebody did. All I know, I took it right in the leg.
Yeah, just go respawn.
Yeah.
I'll hold it down.
Yep.
Hey, right, tire wall. Shit. Yeah. Cat, I need help. Cat, yeah. I need help. Watch that hole in front of you. Just watch that hole. Get low and watch through that hole. Ah! Jam. Right. Right. Bang, bang?
Yep.
Okay. It keeps jamming every shot. I need help. He's on the other door. I need help. He's on that right door.
That's going to wrap up the first round. As you can see, I've been having issues with that same 19X. It worked there for a little bit, but some problems. For the next part, my zoom and selfie cam were having issues, so I'm just cutting to the end of this next match so you can see the part that Kat wants everybody to see. So let's jump right into it.
In front of me. I don't want to just shoot him, but ah!
As you'll see here, two enemy players pin me from the right and left, which leads to the end part here in a second.
Ah, hit. Okay. Ah.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video from Check 6. If y'all enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, as your comments do help us improve our videos. If you guys like to see stuff cut up a little more, where it's just straight action, or if you'd like to see some of the build up and maneuver into how do we get to certain positions, don't forget to leave comments like that. That helps us edit the videos different ways and cut things up how you guys enjoy watching them. Until next time, guys, have a good day.
Really? Ah, my fucking